Hello, in front of me I've got Infinix Note 12. In this video I'll show you how to add passes to Google Wallet. In the beginning, let's go to Wallet. And now tap Add to Wallet button. Now focus on Transit Pass, Loyalty and Gift Card. Firstly, let's select Transit Pass. And if you are able to find your transit way selected, you'll be redirected to a website where you have to finish the inside form. Next, let's select Loyalty. And now select Loyalty program you are participating in. Now you can scan your card or enter member ID manually. Now go back, and in the end let's select Gift Card, which is pretty similar to Loyalty Card, because you have to simply select a shop, enter card number, PIN, balance your notes and tap Add to Wallet. And that's basically it. All of your cards will appear on the homepage of Google Wallet. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.